Happy Monday, everybody. Today's topic is why eating more protein won't bulk you up. Hey friends, it's Dr. Rose here with your Daily Spoonful. Today we're busting a big myth that eating more protein is going to make you big and bulky. Especially for women, I hear this all the time. If I eat a lot of protein, won't I look like a bodybuilder? Here's the truth. Protein alone doesn't bulk you up. What it does is repair your muscles. It supports your hormones and it keeps your metabolism humming. To actually build significant muscle mass, you need three things at once: heavy resistance training, a calorie surplus, and sometimes a little genetic luck. Protein by itself, it fuels recovery, not bulk. In fact, one of the biggest mistakes I see, especially in women over 40, is eating too little protein. Without enough, you're risking muscle mass at your age, which slows down your metabolism and makes it harder for you to keep your weight in check. Remember, muscle is metabolically active tissue. It's what keeps you strong, steady, and independent as the years go on. And it also helps to support your metabolism. So instead of fearing protein, think of it as your ally for fat loss, bone strength, and longevity. Eating enough won't turn you into a bodybuilder, but it will help you keep the body you want to live in. So let me ask you this. Are you hitting your daily protein goals, or are you still holding back because of this myth? If you're ready to finally understand how to balance your macros for keto or carnivore, check out my two videos, one on how much protein you need for carnivore and keto, and how much fat you need on carnivore and keto in my Clarity series. That's your daily spoonful for today. And remember, strong is the new lean, and protein is the key to staying there. I'll see you tomorrow.